Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, and old man in the land of grills. And yes, we are. We're gonna be cooking on the Z Grills 700 series. We got that blanket on there. It's a cold winter day in January here in Wisconsin, and I've got some pork tenderloin. We're gonna wrap it in bacon, and I've got some mini potatoes that I'm gonna toss in some garlic oil, a little bit of seasoning. Oh man, is your mouth watering? Because mine is. Be perfect on the Z Grills. Let's get it fired up. All right, there's our two pork tenderloins. They come in those 2-pack. I'm keeping them together. I've got a bacon weave going down, folks. If I can do it, so can you. It's super simple. Put a piece of plastic wrap down first, do your bacon weave on top, put your meat there, and then I got a little bit of this B&B Holy Trinity on there, and we're just gonna use that plastic wrap to get it going on here, and then just pull it back as you're wrapping, doing your bacon weave, and that's pretty much it. You are done, ain't that nice looking? That's gonna go on the grill. All right, folks, so I got some small red potatoes, cut them in half. That'll aid in getting them cooked faster. And then if you don't know how much I like the Zang stir fry, garlic infused, that stuff is phenomenal. And then I'm using that same B&B Texas Trinity on there. And we're just giving it a little bit of a coat there. And then we're gonna, I know that looks like a lot, but once you toss it up, it kind of gets mixed in on everything, and that's what you want. You want to try and get all surfaces nice and coated there. And then it's just going to go into a pan, just like this, on the grill. Go. How much more easier could that be? And it's going to be delicious. All right, Z Grills is set at 275. You can see we're right around there. This does go in 5-degree increments, but that PID does a phenomenal job. Got the blanket on there. This blanket really helps in the really cold. It's not really cold today, 24 right now. It's in single digits this morning, but it really helped with pellet consumption, although pellet grills, I stumbled there a little bit because pellet grills are generally pretty efficient. But in the cold weather, it is nice to have this blanket, and this blanket by Z Grills is very, very nice. Now we're gonna bump this up to 300 because it's after 3 o'clock already. And it's going to be all about the potatoes and then getting that bacon done. The pork will get done, no problem. 145-ish on the pork is what I'm looking for. Give it a couple look-sees as we proceed. All right, 1 hour in, folks. You can see right around 300 degrees. That's what we got set at. Let's take a quick look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, those potatoes are starting to brown up, too. I was worried that they would take the potatoes longer than the bacon. Get some nice color on it, folks. Tell you what, and the grease system on here works very, very nicely. So I'll give you maybe one or two more look-sees. Blanket's doing a great job. Probably going through any pellets. Like I said, it's not that cold, 24. And 300 degrees is what's set. Give you a look-see as we proceed. Hey folks, don't forget to check out the 600 series if you're looking for a smaller pellet grill. And I can't even say this about it because it's got these 2 big shelves in it that give it just a ton of space. So I'll leave a link down below to the review I did on this too. And you know what, if you're looking for some good pellets, Z Grills they got these oak pellets. Oh, they're phenomenal. But today we're using the applewood. It's gonna go along with the bacon and the pork tenderloin. So let's keep on going. Oh man, look at those potatoes, folks. I probably owed you one more look, but it started to get dark and things were moving along pretty good. I pulled it was about an hour, 45 minutes, 300 degrees on the Z Grills. It was like 142. I could have pulled a little bit sooner. It's been covered, letting it rest. I should have started the potatoes beforehand. So I turned the pellet grill and covered the potatoes up to 375, and they are just perfect. But let's take a look. Take a look at our pork tenderloin here, or double pork tenderloin here. Oh yeah, look at the juice. That is nice. That is good stuff right there. Oh man, I'll tell you what. We're eating good tonight, folks. Want me to take a taste test, don't you? Yeah, of course. I want to too. I tell you what, folks, look at how juicy that is. That pork tenderloin turned out perfect. On the pellet grill from Z Grills, the 700 series, turned out great. The bacon could have been just a tad bit better done. But the taters, oh man, I could eat that whole bowl myself. Folks, I hope this was helpful. Give that a shot. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Check out Z Grills. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks, folks.